Hello, we are Team Omicron, and we made a website called UMass Gaming. I'm John Rand.
I'm John S.
And I'm Connor Andrews. Our site is designed to bring together gamers in the UMass community. The site will essentially serve as a hub where users can see upcoming events, meet new gaming partners, and discuss strategy. It's similar to other social media apps, but with a focus on organizing events and meetup for the UMass gaming community.
All right. So on the website, the features that I implemented are, let me log out real quick, is I added in the login and register. So when you go to login, there's a user that is not found. It will display invalid. But if we have a user that is defined in the database, go ahead and log in. It'll sign in. And then from there, it'll populate a logout button, which will log us out. And then from there, we can go to the register page, and this will, if there's a username already in use, it will not let you register as them. So when we go ahead and do that, it's already in use, but if it is not in use, we can go ahead and register. And that is what I did for this part of the project.
All right, so John again. I implemented sort of the meat and potatoes of our website, which is the home page. Here's where all the posts that our users make get displayed. We have it broken down into 3 sections based on like the different kinds of posts people can make. So people can post about events for like the tournaments and stuff like that. People can make people posts talking about looking for partners in different games. And if people get scores that are really proud of, they can post about it here in our records section. If you click on one of these posts, it takes it into sort of like standalone view where you can see the post on the left and all the information associated with it, as well as the comment section on the right. If you go to a post and you click on the username below it, it will take you to their profile where you can actually add them to your friends list. And if you go to your own profile, you will be able to see your history, you go to see your biography, you can change your profile picture, you can see your friends lists, and also you can make posts from your profile. So if you click on the post creator, you can give your post a title, give it some random description, some random tags, and you can choose which category it gets rendered into. And if we submit it, go to the people section, we should see the post we just created. That's everything.
Cool. So I was responsible for the messaging tab and the setting up the database and the server. So here you can see we have the messaging tab. On our left, we have the list of chats with who they're with. And then on the right here, you have the current chat that you've selected from the list on the left. You have the message bubble, and then down at the bottom, you have a place where you can enter text, hit the little send button, and boom, it updates the chat and populates your screen with your new message.
So some of the most interesting aspects of this project that I found was how many files had to come together to make this work. I just thought it was quite a few, and it's pretty interesting to see them all interact together.
For me, I thought it was cool how the server kind of like restricted what kind of changes people were able to make to the database. And I also thought it was pretty fun working on a project that had components running on different machines.
One of the things I found interesting was how sometimes JavaScript will just silently fail, and other times it will just completely crash everything, which can be annoying. But also how SQL tables can work together and even update each other with things like foreign keys and then like conditionals and triggers and everything. So I just found SQL as a whole really interesting, all the things you could do with it.
So what we found easy when making this project was sort of the HTML. We all have some pretty good experience with that, and that wasn't too hard. But the harder part was definitely setting up the server, the middleware, and the back end, and getting those all to link together, because we didn't have much experience with that, and learning how to do that at the same time as doing it, it created some struggles, but we overcame most of them.
If we were to continue working on this project, we would definitely finish fleshing out the messaging project aspect of the project and the comment section. And also the website's not very secure. It's pretty easy to impersonate other users. So you try to boost security. And lastly, it's super easy to spam our website with basically whatever you want. So we could try like implementing some kind of feature where you could report users who are abusing the website.
Alrighty, guys. Thank you guys for watching this tour of our website. We hope you enjoyed, and we are eager to see you guys join.